What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Sport that we just got done lifting and added some new wheels and tires to. So first I'm going to go over the lift kit. So if you guys are interested in getting your truck or Jeep lifted and adding some new wheels and tires to it, let's go ahead and take a look. It's going to be that 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit, which is going to raise it up enough to fit this bigger 35-inch tire. Unlike the JKs, this one does sit higher naturally and has some more room, so we don't have to put a 3.5-inch lift kit like you would with the JKs. This one's the tire's gonna be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is gonna be more of an aggressive type of hybrid tire. It's gonna have the aggressive sidewall, and the tread's gonna be a little bit thicker and a little bit more spacious, so it's gonna have that off-road appeal, but also be pretty good on the road as well. The wheel's gonna be a 22 by 12 fuel stroke in the gloss black and candy red, which is gonna be a really good look for this Jeep. A lot of Jeep people really like to match those wheels with the color of their Jeep, which is a really cool look for them. You have different finishes for this wheel. You have your gloss black and milled, gloss black and red, gloss black and candy blue. So you do have a couple options, as well as many options for your different sizes. So you can run from anything from 15 or 18 by 9 all the way up to 24, I believe. But all those sizes will be listed down below. What I really like about this wheel is that on the spokes, the millings are in a unique spot, really giving it a nice aggressive look with all those lines going in different directions. And then the other thing is, I love the offset with the bigger sizes of the wheels. This is really gonna give that deep dish look with about a 5.5-inch lip with that -44 offset, which is also gonna really push that wheel and tire package out several inches, giving it a nice wider stance. So overall, I really do like how this wheel really ties in with the color of this Jeep. So if you guys are looking to do the same thing for your Wrangler, we can definitely do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. So if you are interested, make sure you check us out. But also, ask about our 0% financing options so you can build now and pay later.